Born in the back streets of Naples, loved around the world, spaghetti alla Puttanesca has humble roots. It was a quick, no-fuss meal made with pantry staples. But today, we're taking that story a little further. First, I'll show you the classic rich with anchovies, olives, and garlic. Then we'll give it a modern twist, adding cod for a healthy, seafood-forward version that's still full of character. Let's get cooking. Now, let's start with the original, the classic Puttanesca. These are ingredients. Start by heating some olive oil over low to medium heat. Add chopped garlic, a pinch of chili flakes, and anchovy fillets. Let everything sizzle gently until the anchovies melt and the garlic is fragrant. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, drop in 170 grams of spaghetti and cook it until just al dente. Back to the sauce. Add in canned peeled tomatoes and a splash of water by rinsing out the can. Season with a bit of salt, then stir in chopped capers and olives. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the flavors come together. Once your pasta is ready, transfer it straight into the pan with the sauce. Add a ladle of pasta water to help it all come together. Then toss everything, shaking the pan so the pasta gets beautifully coated. Finish with a generous handful of chopped parsley and give it one last toss. And that's it. It's bold, briny, and beautifully simple. Now for the seafood twist. These are ingredients. In a clean pan, heat up olive oil again over low-medium heat. Add 1 whole garlic clove, a dried chili, parsley stems, and anchovy fillets. Let them infuse the oil for a couple of minutes. While that's going, halve some cherry tomatoes and toss them into the pan. Add a pinch of salt and cook for about 10 minutes. Once they're softened, remove the garlic, parsley stems, and chili. Add in the olives and capers and let it all simmer together. Meanwhile, bring another pot of salted water to a boil and cook 90 grams of spaghetti. Now, cut your cod into bite-sized cubes. Add it to the simmering sauce and cook for just about a minute until it turns tender. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Bring your pasta straight into the pan. Add a ladle of cooking water and give it a good toss. Finish with lots of fresh parsley and a little lemon zest on top for brightness. And there you have it, a fresh, modern take on a salty, spicy classic. 2 versions of Puttanesca, one rich and classic, the other light and modern. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More cozy pasta nights coming your way.